What's up, my Rich Off Crypto Life family? It's your girl, Nikki Pink Goddess, also known as Coach Nick. I just had to come to you today to say, hey, it's been a minute since I showed my face. But listen, really quick, we have less than a week left with the Go E1U Life 3 for Me holiday bonus. And I'm not sure if you are participating in it, but guess what? It is an opportunity for you to get some extra Christmas cash, some Visa gift cards for you to be able to utilize however you choose. All you have to do is get your account set up, right? And then share this amazing platform with 3 other people who do the same thing. As long as you are at least on a $25 and the $100 matrix, you will be able to get that bonus on the $100 matrix. So you can actually earn the 3 for Me holiday bonus Visa gift cards on the $100 matrix, the $500, the $1,000, and the $4,000 matrix. All you have to do is refer 3 people at that level that you're on, and you're going to receive the Visa gift card for that. Now, there are no limits for the amount of times that you can complete this. It just has to be done by December 19th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. So now let's talk about the next thing I really wanted to touch bases on. I've had some people asking me, Coach Nick, how can I share this platform with people because I have a small network? Listen, I understand. I relate 100%. I have a very small network as well. I'm not a belly-to-belly marketer. A belly-to-belly marketer is someone who has a Rolodex of people or people that they call and share opportunities with. I don't do that. I do everything on social media. I create videos like this. I post on social media. I'm getting ready to ramp up what I'm doing. I have been posting just 1 time a day, and you really need to post at least 3 times a day. Listen, the name of the game in creating income online is consistency, and you have to have quality content, and you got to post at a minimum 2 to 3 times a day. And you got to understand that it's going to take a little bit of time for you to get to the traction. Like, it's just not going to happen overnight. Now, there are some faster ways that you can actually get in front of more people. That's something that I'll be covering inside of my community. But listen, the bare minimum that you should be doing right now, if you're watching this, whether you're in Go E1U Life or not, or you're on the fence, or you don't know, or you have opportunity, and you're struggling to make money, you don't know what you're doing. Listen, you have got to increase your visibility. If you are not wanting to reach out to friends and family, then you're going to have to do it a different kind of way, which is by posting on social media relevant content to your targeted audience, who you're targeting, who are you wanting to see what you're sharing. And your messaging has to match the platforms that you're promoting on. The people that you're wanting to target, are they on those platforms? Is your audience on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook? You know what I'm saying? Pinterest. You got to know where your audience is, and you have to create content for your audience. And this works no matter what. It doesn't matter what you're promoting. The process is the same. You got to be consistent, and you got to post frequently. Another question that I just got recently is, what if I don't want to use the products? Listen, you do not have to utilize Go E1U Life's products. I think I covered that in the last episode of the Freedom Decoded series, right? You do not have to utilize the products. You just need to have a system in place so that you can actually be able to duplicate for yourself and the people that are joining you. You have to have a process. Like, a lot of the times that I feel like people do not have success when they join network marketing opportunities, or they're doing different things to create income from home, is because they are not plugging into a system. And if you are doing something like a network marketing opportunity where you have to share the opportunity with others and the company pays you for doing that, and you do not have a system in place for duplication, then what do you think is going to happen if you enroll someone in your business and they are a busy mom, they're a college student, they're working more than one job, they're very busy? If you don't give them the blueprint and the system for them to just plug in and they have to figure it out, then guess what? The duplication is going to be minimal. So you have to create a system that works for not just you, but for making it easier for other people to join what you do. And so that's why a lot of people, tend to do things where they are the ones that's creating the income. So like with affiliate marketing, there's different types of affiliate marketing. You have like what we have here at Go E1U Life. It is a form of affiliate marketing. We're getting paid handsomely commissions to share our platform with other people, right? But then you also have other affiliate programs like Amazon.com or Walmart.com. When you sign up for their affiliate program, you're agreeing for them to pay you a commission. It's usually under 10% for Walmart and Amazon. And then they're going to give you a link, and then you're going to share that link. And every time someone purchases, you're going to get anywhere from less than 10%. Let's just say that less than 10% every time you sell that product with that link, right? So you can control how many people you send to that link. You can't refer someone to become an affiliate for Amazon or Walmart and they pay you. You see what I'm saying? That's the difference. So with Go E1, we get paid for sharing this platform with other people who too are looking to create income and they too want to receive Bitcoin. So you got to decide, like, what type of opportunity are you wanting to do? Are you wanting to do something where it requires you to do all the work? To me, I want to have leverage, right? Leverage is where you're not working by yourself. Leverage is what we have at Go E1U Life. And that's what is so exciting to me, is because we get paid for every single person we refer to Go E1U Life. Every single person that we personally refer to Go E1U Life, we get paid. And the leverage comes in where we get paid when we share this opportunity with someone and they too share it. And if they land anywhere on our matrix, we're going to get paid. You see what I'm saying? So while you're at work, while you're shopping, while you're on vacation, while you're working in your second job or whatever else you're doing, if you are building this opportunity and you're building a team, you're going to be receiving payments outside of the work that you do. So that means that you can wake up to money. So the thing is, you have to know how to market so that you can get the eyeballs, so that people can know, like, and trust you. That's one of the reasons why I like to do video, because you can see me, you hear me, and I've had people to sign up. I've not done very many videos on this Rich Off Crypto Life channel where you can see my face. Most of them have been my voice. I can get them out fast, but I wanted to come show my lovely face today. However, I don't do a lot of videos like this. I probably will start. However, you don't have to do that. All you have to do is get the content out there. People are looking for ways to create income from home. You provide the solution. You solve the problem. The problem is they want to make more money. You're the solution. Let me show you how to create more money, and I'm going to show you how you can create more money with leverage. Who wouldn't want to have leverage? Leverage is what will allow you, if an emergency happens in your life, right, and you are not able to post content, but you have shared this opportunity with people and they're still building. It is how I went from $12,550 in 24 days to just under 17 days. Just under 45 days, I made right at $17,000. I did not do anything extra for that other $4,000, right at $5,000 that came in. It came in from the efforts of my people on my team who continued to work right after my brother passed away. You see what I'm saying? So that is leverage. So just imagine if you really multiply that and you really are working to build a team, to build a community, to build a network of people who are like-minded, and then we create income in multiple things. Like, this can be so big. This can go outside of the scope of affiliate marketing, crypto. It can go into real estate. It can go into so many different things. I have so many plans and I'm so excited. It has been an extremely, extremely, extremely hard year for me. Like, I don't even think you understand how hard of a year it's been for me. But you know what? I finally see the light at the end of the tunnel. And I know that 2026 is going to be the best year thus far in my life for me. I'm looking forward to partnering and working with people that want to level up in their life in a way that they've never leveled up before. You want to level up in your mindset, you want to level up in your lifestyle, and you want to level up in your money, your Bitcoin, your crypto. So with that being said, this comeback that your girl is on, it is for you, because I'm not coming back or here to just post. I'm here to build, to grow, to scale, to teach, and walk this freedom journey out loud. I hope you're ready to rebuild, grow, and monetize on purpose. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. And you got to drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're ready and locked in with your girl. This is the comeback. This is the shift. It's level up season, baby. Let's get it, y'all. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.